Continuing on, CNC Group break number 55-58. We're on to the 15-16 Stickwork and 14-15 Ultimate. Starting with the Stickwork. Alright, we start with a game used stick gold numbered 5 of 5 for the Washington Capitals. Mike Gartner. 5 of 5 for the Capitals. Mike Gartner. We've got a career goal leaders dual stick silver numbered 35 of 40 for the Boston Bruins. Phil Esposito. 35 of 40 for the Bruins. Phil Esposito. Oh, and that's sick. And we've got a tape-to-tape numbered 1 of 35 for the Detroit Red Wings. Steve Yzerman and Sergei Fedorov. 1 of 35, tape-to-tape, Yzerman and Fedorov. Now on to the Ultimate. Base card number to 299 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Jonathan Bernier. Rookie autograph number to 299 for the San Jose Sharks, Chris Tierney. Ooh, pretty. We've got an Ultimate Rookies 3-color patch and autograph numbered 23 of 25 for the Florida Panthers, Rocco Grimaldi. 23 of 25, Rocco Grimaldi. We've got a 3-color debut threads patch numbered to 100 for the Buffalo Sabres, Sam Reinhart. Sam Reinhart, 100 for the Sabres. We've got an Ultimate Game Materials number to 99 for the Montreal Canadiens, PK Subban. PK Subban. And a retro number to 150 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Duncan Keith. Alright, coming next, Black Diamond and the Cup.